this? Oh my god. Alright everyone, hello, welcome back to another video, you guys. I know you guys are seeing something different. If you watched my last video, then you would know. But you guys, I am so excited and I'm so happy, and I have like a huge idea for this little setup right here. But anyways, let's just get to the point. Today's video, you guys, we are going to be doing a beginner's friendly makeup challenge. So give me 1 second, actually. Sorry, I had to grab a couple more things, you guys. But let's get right into this video. So I'm only going to be using just a couple of these items throughout the video. But first things first, I'm going to go ahead and start off with my eyebrows. First thing I'm going to do is just brush out my eyebrows, get them even. Once they're even and all brushed out, I'm going to take my dip and then just use my pencil to fill in the rest of my brows. Once my brows are filled in, I'm going to take the Pro Concealer and just go ahead and just shape and even out my brows. I'm going to do it on both sides. After I'm done shaving, I'm just going to take the beauty sponge and just go ahead and just blend in the rest of that excess concealer around my brows. Since my brows are blended, I'm going to take my eyeshadow primer and go ahead and just dab on the primer onto both of my lids of my eyes. Wow guys, I don't know why that was so hard to say, but you guys get the point. When I'm done priming my eyes, I'm going to be using the Love You So Milky palette. And in this palette, I'm going to be using this shade here. Unfortunately, this shade was much lighter than what I thought, so I had to keep reapplying this. So you're going to be seeing me do this multiple times. But just so I had an even stride, I had to get up eventually and put some tape in the corner of my eyes because, well, your girl was getting out of line for a little bit, you know?
Everything I'm about to give him. Okay,
So I don't know what happened to the rest of my footage, you guys, because last thing I remember was it was recording, I was watching a movie and then it just stopped recording. But obviously, as you guys could tell, I already have my other eye pretty much completed. And what I did with my first eye, I just pretty much did with my second eye and just repeated it just in a different shade. So let's see what this outcome looks like, you guys. You guys, I hope I did this right. Came out decent, you guys, decent. I tried. We'll see. Well, I'll show you guys a comparison real quick. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished product. I tried, alright? Yeah, kind of excessive here, but you know what? Whatever, I'm kind of, well. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished product. I tried my best. I did not have all the colors, so I had to improvise a little bit. And as you can see, it's definitely a whole shade lighter than what she had. But you know what? A for effort. I tried, you guys. Let me know in the comments how you guys think I did. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and have a good night. Bye.